Oh, what's up? Life is a mission, people. What's up? What's up? Life is a mission TV. Boy, today, you don't know, we're gonna pick some ackee, because we're gonna deal with that thing named Eat What We Grow. We're gonna cook some shrimp, seasoned rice. You understand the people? So, I'm gonna show you, me and pick some ackee off of my tree. Life is a mission TV. Just continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, my people. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit that thumbs up when the video drop. Yeah, man. And just share the video, my people. Help the channel to grow. Family-oriented channel. Alright? So stay tuned for me and pick some ackee. Alright, my people. Straight from the tree to the pot. Everybody use a big sticky ball, it heavy. And they are rotten, my people. Rotten. So my people, as we said, I cook some shrimp seasoned rice. Alright? Straight from the tree to the pot. So just stay tuned when me I clean up the ackee and the cooking start. Shrimp seasoned rice. Stay tuned, my people. Hello. Yes, my people, so we start pick the ackee already. I'm gonna pick the rest of them here now. So as you can see, some pick already. So I'm gonna start pick the rest of them. Just say short life for the video because we don't really want to run the video too long. And see there, I already cut up my pumpkin, a little piece of plantain just to give that pep taste, and my okra. And you don't know, as I tell you now, a shrimp seasoned rice, so you can add whatever you want to it because there is other things that you can add to it, you understand? Yeah. So it's shrimp seasoned rice. And you don't know seasoned rice come with ackee and stuff like that. And your pumpkin, You don't know, we'll also add a little roaster soup. Because we don't like that name there, because we can't add them something here to it things. So a little roaster soup to it, and a little, a little pack coconut milk powder. We're now go authentic today. Yeah. So just stay tuned for the video because as I say, life is a mission, people. I got a reason during that video, because I have a little topic where I want to reason with from what day. So instead of just do that video by itself, I want to incorporate that video while cooking. The topic is going to be land, capture land and a whole. So I'm just stay tuned for the shrimp seasoned rice. Alright? Where you have, see you have, yeah. Shrimp seasoned rice. So stay tuned, my people. Reasoning while cooking in the kitchen. Yeah, my people, you don't know one, two, you know. You don't know, you have to remove the seed from the ackee. Yeah, you remove the seed, and there's a little red thing in the middle here. Yeah, sometimes it might not that red, sometimes it's white, sometimes just lay down and have the color of the ackee. So you have to really look for it. When me I grow up, I eat the poison. I eat the poison and probably run your belly and all them stuff in the butt. I don't eat poison, my people. They say the ackee poison you is the ackee force open. Because there's an air, like a gas business inside of that ackee, where the ackee have to come to a perfection before the ackee open to release that air. You understand? So, in releasing that air by yourself, basically it's like you're poisoning the ackee. So, you can't expect anything from that. And that's the reason why, you know, most people don't buy ackee from anybody because they don't know when it comes on to money, people no matter how they earn it. You understand? Even on social media you see it. People no matter how they earn it. They just want to know them earn it. They just think about for themselves. So if you have to get poisoned by the ackee, so be the case, they make a money if you feed them belly full and feed them kids belly okay, they are fine with that. So my people, just stay tuned. The pot already upon the fire boil up. Yeah, so stay tuned. Well, the people, I know I'm putting the bigger part of the pumpkin already. So I have less these get less time so they won't boil and mash out because if you notice I dice these with the skin on it because I don't want it to mash out. Some of these dice with the skin, not all of them, but some of them dice with the skin because you want the bigger part of pumpkin now that I will crush out when it boils. So it gives the water a different color, right? So it gives the rice that color what you want, along with the roaster noodle, not the roaster noodle. So I'm going to add these now, which I'm not going to add the plant as yet. I'm just going to add the pumpkin, yeah, and the okra. When I'm going to add the plantain now is when I'm going to add like the roaster noodle, coconut milk, yeah, and then season up the pot. Then I add these to it. So the plantain will be added at the time when the pot ready to season up. So when this cook, which is the okra and the pumpkin, then I add the coconut milk to the pot. Then make the coconut milk boil for like 5 minutes. Then I season up the pot. As you see here, I have a nice St. Andrew scallion. Not to beat these people. St. Andrew scallion has a better flavor than the down the country scallion. Down the country scallion is the one that have the red something right here. St. Andrew scallion is this one with the white. Better flavor in this scallion, people. Right? So, as I said, just watch me as we go along. Sip a little tea, you know? People, as I said, we have to start with the topic on the land. When you say land, I mean, there's a lot of land in Jamaica, and see, vlogs like these, I really want to comment on an opinion. You understand? So I just leave a comment down below. Because I want to know when me I go wrong or me I say something wrong. You understand? I'm not too big to say, boy, yes, that's true. Or I could have adjust when I say this. But the people, as you know, there's a lot of lands in Jamaica. When I say lands, I mean land, real lands. Especially when you go back St. Catherine side. I don't know St. Catherine have so much land with people. I think St. Catherine is one of the parish that has the most land in Jamaica. Yes, St. Catherine. Break. Yeah, my people, as me I say, St. Catherine has a lot of land. But I'm going to say this now. There's a lot of land in Jamaica, as I say, both privately owned and government owned. Right? And there's a lot of people that don't live anywhere. There's a lot of people who can't afford to buy a piece of land. They might can't find their money every week, every month, every 2 months, whatsoever, to build up something. But there's no family land space, there are no legal space that they can acquire because of the cash. But saying that and saying this, there's a lot of these people who think to capture people land, whether government land or private land. And nothing wrong with capturing the land, you know. Because you have the private land then, you have some people, them foreparents used to live certain place and, you know, probably back in the 70s, come up to 80s, 79, 80, during the election period, enough people have run left them place in certain garrison communities and they never returned up until today. Place vandalized during the time of the election, versus car drop and the person said them support the other party different from the community where they live in. Place end up captured because they run left it for years on top of years. But remember, you capturing that place, it's not yours. You understand? And you have to think about that. So all you have to do is go and do, if you capture the place, just go and live, and then you could fix up, small fix up what you have to do, you fix up. And if over a certain period of time, you live there, where it has saved you from the road appearing, go and pay the tax on it and be smart. So if anything down the line by law, you can be the lawful owner for that place. But some of them, they just capture the people in place, they live, they put up one little piece of board at the window, you see them they buy a quality window, one little piece of door, this and them live. Some of them don't want to pay no water, no light. And they just want to live free. And they still not consider, say, alright, I don't want to pay the tax on this, you know, because I have nothing to lose. Because I live here for years, when we are paying, but pay one little $3,000 for tax every year is far better than I pay even $7,000 a month for rent. Because that will be 12 times 7s. Not to them, nothing. Alright? Things come around now, people come around. Land sell, property sell. You get show off. People sorry for you said the people them shouldn't show you off and the people them shouldn't this and the people them shouldn't that. And the people them land, that's the first thing you should have think about on property. And at the same time, you never did pay nothing upon the land, water, light, nor tax. You never did give nobody no rent. You understand? At this thing now, people go to a place to live, to buy, property to buy. You know, housing just always put out certain property that's available. A man see that property where you in where they come from the community, trust the community or what, they decide to invest in money. Man invest in money. Where the man for make you stay in there, you own this, and you should own it. Because you have get the first preference to buy it if you did pay the tax. So you own this, so many sorry for you. So people who want to tell me if I'm being harsh or what. You understand? Next thing, government land. Even with the private land and the government land. You understand? There's a lot of people also who capture both government and private land. And they are so foolish. They go and build concrete structure. How can you build concrete structure upon capture land? Eh? Or when you have it in your mind to acquire that land somewhere down the line, whether one way or the other. At the same time, it must sell none at all. So when the right time comes, you have to come and fight. Where you going to look for your whole your money and bulldozer down? And people be sorry for you? Me can't sorry for you. You want a place to live? And you want a little piece of land to go and build something upon? Build something that is removable. Build up one little concrete foundation. You're not going to lose that. Because if you have a place even 10, 15, 20 years, and you have to go away left that at least, if you have a rated value more than that, you put up this up. And build one board structure what can be removed. So when government or the private man come in place, you understand? And give 1 day notice, 2 day notice, a week or a month, at least you can get carpenter and some hands to help you to remove this structure, and you find somewhere, pack it up till you can find another piece of land to put it on. But when you have a look on your how much thousands of dollars demolished because you're full. You want to own people things what is not yours. You now look down the line and say government or the private man who own him land might come in one day, or somebody might end up buy this land because this land is up for sale by the National Housing Trust, the Land Development Ministry or whatsoever. You should have looked on them things there. So me care sorry for you. So my people, I want to go in the comment and tell me if I've been harsh or me at foolishness. Alright? So, now add the Ackee now, my people, to the pot. Yeah, because we don't want Ackee them soft out, you know, my people. Yeah, we don't want them too soft out. So, we want the pumpkin boil first, and basically the pumpkin is supposed to reach a level now where we can put in the Ackee. Yeah, so I put in Ackee. As I said, I'm not going to put in the plant as yet. The plant now go in another few minutes when this about another 5 minutes when this Ackee started to tenderize. Then we put in the coconut milk, and then give the coconut milk another 5 minutes. Then I add the seasoning. Look, as I said, you see what I some COCK soup mix, roaster mix in me. You understand? Roaster mix. A woman something this. Me carry it to a woman something, me can't put it in my pot. Just draw my people. You understand? So stick with my people. But like I say, when you just go in the comment section and tell me what you think about this whole land thing when I talk about my people. People, you cannot be fooled. People things cannot be your own. You can't have something for 50 years and then your own, you know. But you have it with the privilege of having it for 50 years. Until you have it so long, you just feel like, yes, I your one. No, don't get comfortable. You understand? Because you see the day if you make 50 years and one day, that's the day the owner can come for it. You understand? And true, it don't condition your mind so your one, it jerk your nerves. It can lick you off your feet, it can mash you up. You understand? It can shatter your nerves, it can get mental because of how you did condition your mind from day one. So people, remember, people things is not your one. Not care how long you have the privilege of it. Whether your brother, your sister, or family. Not left all one car, you have it up and down night and day. For years. When you come a yard and decide to feel one, you have to give it up. Or when a year, name it by now. By law, a year one. But guess what I know? It can end up that it costs life. Because you know the man one and the man know a female, but you him did that for it. Him send the money come to buy it in a year name. And now you come down and get it up because you know by law it in a year name a year one. You know what him do? Him just put a hit by your head because it's cheaper. You understand? Simpler. You know when a man put a hit by your head, you know what that means. So always remember, people things is not yours. So all you people who is squatting on people land, whether private land, government land, think twice before you go and build concrete structure that cannot be removed. Because when the people them come for them place, them are going to bulldoze it down and the law is going to allow them to because it's not your one. Them not have no sympathy say large to spend or spend much thousands and millions of dollars. No. You should have considered from day one. Build one nice little bedroom, 2 bedroom or 1 bedroom boat structure that can be removed, that can pull down and move to a different location. Alright my people? Anyway, stay tuned my people for the rest of the vlog. As I said, we are reason while cooking. Life is a Mission TV. Continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit that thumbs up. Please and thanks. Help me to reach this 1,000 subscribers. It's moving slow people. Honestly, I can't believe say from Valentine's Day I beg on it. I'm gonna get it. And we are past Valentine now. We are going on summer my people. Now make the summer done, I'm going to reach 1,000. I want to reach that and then me will work on the watch hour. Because them time, you know, me have to bring the content for no watch. To gain that watch hour. So speak my man, I'm sorry about that. Life is a mission people. Just stay tuned for the rest of the cook vlog. Shrimp seasoned rice. Well my people, I just add the coconut milk. And I'm going to add the shrimp now. As you know my people, you know, day one people who come join and see after. I marinate my meats from the night before. That's why I try to know what I'm going to do. if me go cook, I know when me go cook so me can. Cause I like marinate my meat, you know. Cause I like when you take bite out the bone of my meat, you taste the seasoning. You know, when you just season it up and throw it in a pot, it don't marinate, so you don't get that good taste from it. And then now the water we have to help cook it, just burn off the little seasoning with the on top, because it not soak in the meat. So stay tuned. Me I put this in the pot now, my people. Yeah. This is the shrimp. So you have to put this in the pot now before you even season the pot, you know, because you know it's seasoned up and it's cooked shrimp already, you know. You understand? You just want to tender it now to your level. But because it's seasoned, you have to put it in the pot first before you season the pot. So after this boil out for 2 or 3 minutes, then you can taste the pot, you taste the level of seasoning and salt that's in the pot. Then you add the addition. So the people, just stay tuned. Shrimp seasoned rice, not fried rice, seasoned rice. Alright, my people, season the pot now. So you can see. This is the, you don't know, the roaster soup. Alright. This is butter. Alright. Thyme, scallion. Piece of tomato to give coloring, because I tell you, seasoned rice, and on top you have some pimento seed, yeah, and this is the plant. Putting that last, you know, next to rice time, because you don't want it soft. Yeah. So, as I said, taste it now. First me I taste it in the shrimp. Alright, so we know how to balance the rest of the seasoning. So, grinded black pepper, yeah, a little chicken seasoning, a little all-purpose, yeah, and salt. There have it, my people. 5 more minutes of seasoning up boil out or less. Then you know a rice. So stick and chew. Life is a mission. Yes, my people, see it there? This is it. Yeah man, shrimp, seasoned rice. See it, Life is a Mission TV. Yeah man. See it there, my people. Share out, yeah. Shrimp them cock up on top there. Rice pretty, my people. Yeah man. This is how we do it. So my people, just continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. You don't know, hit that thumbs up when you hit the video. And please just share the video in your contact, whether your Facebook or your WhatsApp. You know, Life is a Mission TV. So we do it, you know, in the kitchen. Yeah man. All it more them type of vlog you have to come with a reason. Because we're not gonna make the cook vlog them just all about cooking. We're gonna find something for reason about when we are cook, you know, kind of spice it up a little bit. So just continue to like, share and subscribe, my people. Yeah man, and hit that thumbs up. Come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I'm out.